Welcome to the Forest of Brows.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just here to pick twinkleberries for the traditional Ooliefest decorations.
I do it every year, and I've just summoned a...
Why are they called twinkleberries? They're not very twinkly.
I don't remember. But as I was saying, I just summoned a
Do they have pizza at Ooliefest?
What's a pizza?
Huh?
I wouldn't stand there, Alva. I've summoned a know-it. That's what I was trying to tell you before.
Wow! That's the biggest know-it I've ever seen.
Oh, yes. The know-its are mighty in the Forest of Brows. They have access to all the information in Gizmo, and you can ask it anything you want.
Maybe you should ask them what the best pizza is, Alva.
Oh, great and wise know-it. Where is the best place to pick twinkleberries?
Twinkleberries, plentiful, many and juicy, can that ways be found.
I'm coming, twinkleberries! Come on, Alva!
Huh?
Come on, Mo!
Oh, great and wise know-it. Why are they called
No
twinkleberries?
time! We've got berries to pick!
Bye!
This is perfect, trolls. If we get the mayor hopelessly lost, Ooliefest will be ruined.
Yeah, he'll be so bamboozled by all the berries we show him, he'll miss it altogether.
The know-it was right. This is the best twinkleberry patch ever. Jingleberries! Oh, I do love jingleberries!
They look so sparkly. Why not pick some for Ooliefest, Mayor Garth?
Jingleberries instead of twinkleberries? Maybe.
Oh, you Plinux!
You almost look like a real know-it, Humble Bluff.
That's what we want the mayor to think.
He'll never be able to look the Oolies in the face again after he misses Ooliefest.
Oh, another know-it! Splendid!
Wait a minute. Don't you have to summon know-its?
Oh, great and wise know-it!
Can I use jingleberries instead of twinkleberries for Ooliefest?
Why choose between just these? When near to us there be a patch of aplenty. You can find all the best berries in the forest. Twinkleberries, sparkleberries, pumpkinberries, and any will do for Ooliefest.
You don't sound as great or as wise as the other know-it.
Where is this patch? Where?
That looks kind of weird. We might get lost. I'm not sure we should... Wait, you don't know where you're going.
I do know, Alva. I'm going to find the best berries.
That worked a treat.
Oh, look! Oh, wow!
It's awfully dark in this part of the woods, Mo.
Twinkleberries, jingleberries, kittenberries, rainbow berries.
Hello again, Mayor Garth.
Woohoo! This know-it once again was not summoned.
I'm thinking rainbow berries are what you need, or glowy berries, or maybe these kitten berries.
So many choices.
Uh-oh, Mo. Mayor Garth looks like Nessa and Finn did when we couldn't decide about the pizza.
Oh no! Ooliefest is starting! I have to get back! Oolie Kazoolies, we're lost! Oh, great and wise Know It, please tell me the way out of this forest.
Silly Mayor, I'm not a know-it. Now you're gonna miss all the fun.
Trolls! I knew this Know-It was fishy.
Now no one will have twinkleberries. Ooliefest is ruined!
Oh.
Mayor Garth, how do we summon the real Know-It?
There's a Know It, I know it. Oh, Forest, please show it.
Ooh, 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 ooh,